Look at her legs.
She's crazy.
Come on, Mommy, you're slow.
I'm sorry, I put these things in like maximum security.
Why are you torturing her?
Good grief. I'm sorry, Bree.
I think she'll take it in the cardboard box. I think she.
She's acting. Can't stop. Bree, you want your baby doll? Okay. Alright. You have mommy inside. Good, good.
Can you go any slower?
What about the sides?
We should have before.
The sides!
I'm sorry, Bree. Just a minute.
There's one more, Mom. You're gonna have to do like one more.
Goodness, they're really just tied in. Oh my goodness. Okay,
Oh, there's like 3 more.
Are you sure?
No, there's one back here left. But I think you already got
Bree.
one.
I think this is the last one. Alright, let's see. I haven't broken her doll, alright. Oh, even her rear end has one on it. Yes, it's not.
Oh my gosh. It's like the
Wow.
I can open this for her.
Bree, do you want me to take that for you?
Well, I
You gonna give her a kiss? You gonna give the baby a kiss? I think she's looking.
Now you're sweet, huh? Everything's happy?
Give her kisses.
Give her a kiss.
Do you love the baby?
She's looking at how her eyes close.
Oh!
She's amazed.
I'm gonna shut her eyes.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you? Thank you.